So, you're considering buying your first home. Congratulations! This is an exciting time, but before you hit the streets to shop, there are a few things you should know. It's important to understand your budget before you start the home buying process, and you won't really have a good grasp on it until you have received pre-approval for a mortgage. A pre-approval letter lets you know how much house you can afford and which neighborhoods are right for you. Getting pre-approved for a mortgage isn't difficult, but you'll need to submit a few documents to your lender. The good news is that you can do most of it online these days. Here are the things you'll need. Your lender will need to review your income to determine how much home you can afford. You need to provide the last 4 pay stubs, as well as the last 2 years' W-2s, 1099s, and tax returns. The lender may ask you for the account numbers for each of your bank accounts, as well as the name and address of each depository. They'll also review 2 months of bank statements for each of your bank accounts. Make sure to include investment account statements in all pages of your statement, even if they're blank. If you're self-employed or commissioned, you'll need to provide signed copies of your federal tax returns for the last 2 years, a year-to-date profit and loss statement, and a balance sheet. In order to verify employment, you will need to provide the names and addresses of both your present and previous employers over the last 2 years. Your lender will require a copy of your government-issued photo ID in order to verify your identity. Lastly, if you rent, you will need to provide your landlord's name and address for the past 2 years. Various loan programs are available to help people in specific circumstances. It's likely your lender will ask for a few other documents in order to match you with the best loan program for your needs. Are you ready to get started? Our team looks forward to working for you. Get in touch with us today so we can assist you in your first step towards home ownership.